Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to add friends in a Clash Royale. So this is the updated tutorial. Now first, make sure that you actually come here at the top, right click on this icon. And if you haven't already, you need to connect to your Supercell ID to be able to add these friends, okay? So you can click here on invite friend as well. And you can also add them from your clan list. So here, if I click on our clan, this is our clan right here, you can easily add any of these members, right? Of course, if you have the Supercell ID, just tap on their name, and then you click on view profile, and you will get an option to actually add them as a friend. So make sure you go ahead and log in to your Supercell ID to be able to do that, okay? If you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.